Lately, someone has asked me, like, why do you make MIDI effects like MIDIHold? And I was like, I usually don't make MIDI effects, but I made an exception because I wanted to solve a problem, and this video shows you the problem and the solution and the reason why you listen to me like this is because the situation requires you to want an extreme vocal layer like this, with a lot of vocal tuning, delay and reverb and stuff. And if everything goes right, you should be able to have a bass line at the end with which you can do something like this. Oh shit. Like this. Yeah, I'm not very good with surprises, I guess, because if I was, then I would have put this off right at the start in my first attempt and stuff. So I hope you noticed whenever I was changing the note with the bass line, my vocals just follow through, and I didn't sing it like that. I'm just singing random stuff. I mean, I can turn off the effects for you in the video edit, and then you will see that it's just completely different, and then I can go back to the sound how it is through my DAW. And you will notice that it's still like that, and that's the reason why MIDIHold is cool, because if there was no MIDIHold, then I would already be all over the place with the effect that I'm using, which is Manipulator. Because if there is no MIDI input into Manipulator, then it doesn't try to force the vocals onto a certain pitch, obviously. But there is MIDIHold, and MIDIHold says no. Every plugin that comes, it should do the right thing, and the right thing is to stay on the note, on the note, on the note, on the note that you played last. And in this case, this is D sharp, and I'm just staying on D sharp because it was the last note that was played. And now I will explain how it works. So, as you can see, there are basically two tracks here, and one of them is the bass line. The bass line is played from MS to the best FM synthesizer in the world, also AM and PM. Okay, enough with the advertisement. Now there is this FX layer. I don't know, nothing special, just a layer with a dry signal and some reverberated signal without bass. A little bit of clipping, yeah, and some deactivated stuff, because it would add a lot of latency now to have this activated, and I don't want that. Now let's go on with the vocal chain, oh yeah. So it starts with the note receiver. The note receiver gets, the input from the bass line, or in this case the output from not transpose, because apparently I wanted to transpose everything 5 semitones up. So when I said this is D sharp earlier, it wasn't D sharp, and I hope that the pitch perfect people in my fan base are not too mad about me, because I would be very sad if you were mad. Now let's deactivate MIDIHold. Alright, now MIDIHold is deactivated. Oh yeah. What's this? Oh. My vocals can be all over the place with the pitch. I don't want that. Let's get MIDIHold back into place. Yeah. Okay. MIDIHold has some cool parameters like MPE. You can use that if your MIDI inputs have multiple different channels. But the use case that I'm showing you in this video doesn't really have that being a thing. Now the kill switch lets you kill the effect for a while, and then it goes on, but not immediately, but only once you press the key. Oh yeah. Okay. No transpose. Yeah, okay, I'm transposing the notes up some octaves so that, you know, the upcoming effect manipulator actually picks a pitch that is more close to my actual vocals than the bassline. And I did that with my son a little bit earlier today, and for him, for example, I went even an octave higher, and then it would be like this. Also kinda cool. Let's listen to my voice like this for a while and only go back with the next note. Okay. Some gain on the tool. Manipulator, just some glide, nothing else. Keep it simple. I could keep it shit, no idea if there is still speech intelligibility left on this pitch. Some probing and FX there for the cloudy stuff, you know, delay and reverb. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Okay, I prepared a freestyle. Let me rap for you this little freestyle. Okay. Oh shit. I was on my notepad. I have to click on Bitwig. Okay, I turn up like an analog clock after 6 o'clock when the clock hand goes on. All like a clock that was missing for a while. It just turned up as I was searching some files. I sat down and opened the book. What I found in it shook me like a level 1 crook. A long time ago, a note was left in there. It says turn up if you dare. Knowing how much I turn up these days, needless to say, I didn't know what awaits. Am I cursed or something? What is this? I really can't tell, and I'm kinda pissed. I put the book back where I was caught. What? I put the book. I put the book back where it wasn't caught. The fuck out of the library. Got with class, cause I turn up more than darkness through dimming glass. Turn up. Okay, my really mediocre bass line playing while also singing to the mic skills show in this video. But I mean, that's the point of MIDIHold, you know. If MIDIHold wasn't there, then I would have to figure out how to hold the notes long enough all the time on the bass line. And I really have no brain cell left for that when I'm making music, when I just wanna focus on the vocals. It should just work, it should just fall into place. And that's why MIDIHold exists. And I hope that you see what I mean. Let's go, turn up.